I'm Sudhi Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. Kirloskar Brother Limited, one of the global market leader in the flood management solution and services, has launched a new series of time-tested borable submersible pumps, NEO Series 4-inch. This new series of borable submersible pumps are versatile. They have been designed to effectively cater to the requirements of rural, domestic and community water supply markets, including farming, building and construction sectors. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will dedicate to the nation 35 crop varieties with special traits. He will also inaugurate the newly constructed campus of the National Institute of Biotic Stress Tolerance, Raipur. BMO noted that the crop varieties with special traits have been developed by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research to address the twin challenges of climate change and malnutrition. 35 such varieties have been developed in 2021.
भारत के प्रयासों से ही यूएनओ संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ ने अगले वर्ष यानी 2023 को इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ मिलेट्स घोषित किया है। ये मिलेट्स की खेती की हमारी परंपरा हमारे अनाज को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर शोकेस करने का और नए बाजार तलाशने का बहुत बड़ा अवसर है, लेकिन इसके लिए अभी से काम करना पड़ेगा। आज इस अवसर पर मैं देश के सभी सामाजिक स्वैच्छिक संगठनों से कहूंगा कि लिए अभी से काम करना पड़ेगा। आज इस अवसर पर मैं देश के
Indian Agricultural Research Institute has developed the country first ever non-GM herbicide tolerant rice varieties that can be directly seeded and significantly save water and labor compared to conventional transplanting. The varieties Pusa Basmati 1979 and Pusa Basmati 1985 contain a mutated acetolocate synthesis gene, making it possible for farmers to spray imidacloprid, a broad-spectrum herbicide to control weeds. This dispenses with the need to prepare nurseries where paddy seeds are first raised into young plants before being uprooted and replanted 25 to 35 days later in the main field. Union Home Minister Amit Shah praised the fertilizer cooperative IFFCO use of nanotechnology to create IFFCO Nano Urea liquid at the country's first National Cooperative Conference. Amit Shah said IFFCO for its contribution in making the green revolution a success in the country and for producing the world's first nano liquid urea. The whole cooperative community is appreciating this wonderful attempt to reform the agriculture sector for the benefits of the farmers. New Leaf Symbiotic and Talc USA recently announced a partnership to bring an exclusive co-pack to the market in 2022. New Leaf Chief Commercial Officer Matt Helm says, "We are thrilled to offer Talc USA industry-leading seed lubricant technology in conjunction with our new class of PPFM microbes as an efficient way to bring our technology to millions of acres with farmers." Advanced Farm Technologies, a farm robotics company based in California, has closed a $25 million Series B round of funding led by Catapult Ventures. The round also included participation from all of Advanced Farm Technologies Series A investors, tractor maker Kubota, automotive giant Yamaha Motor and Impact Ventures. The robot is equipped with a stereo camera that scans around the strawberry beds, taking many images every second and adapting the path of the machine based on those images. Economic Time organized an event on 3rd edition of SDG Summit 2021. It aims to assist business towards more environment-friendly practices by tracking and reducing emissions through net zero. The summit will convene leaders from government, business, international organizations, and civil society, along with a diverse group of experts and innovators to initiate, accelerate, and scale up entrepreneurial solutions to tackle climate change and advance sustainable development. For more updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.